isn't just about the thrill of the drive or the excitement of a new purchase. It's a long-term commitment, and maintenance costs can make or break that investment. Some cars demand constant repairs, expensive parts, and frustrating downtime, while others are engineered to run smoothly for years with minimal upkeep. If you want a car that won't drain your wallet in maintenance and repair bills, you need to choose wisely. At Cars Jade, we're all about helping you make smart automotive decisions. And today, we're diving into the top 5 cars with the lowest maintenance costs. These are the vehicles built for reliability, affordability, and long-term durability, so you can spend less time in the shop and more time on the road. Let's get into it. Before diving into our top picks, let's look at what makes a car inexpensive to maintain. The total cost of ownership includes routine maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations, brake replacements, unexpected repairs, and long-term reliability. The most affordable cars in this category have simple designs, readily available parts, excellent fuel economy, and proven engineering that minimizes mechanical issues. Now, let's break down the 5 best choices for drivers looking to cut down on maintenance costs. Number 5. 2025 Ford F-150. If you need a durable, long-lasting truck with relatively low maintenance costs, the Ford F-150 is an unbeatable option. The F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for decades, and a major reason for its popularity is affordable repair costs and widespread availability of parts. Thanks to its simple yet robust engineering, dependable V6 and V8 engine options, and ease of servicing, this truck doesn't require frequent or costly repairs. The average annual maintenance cost for an F-150 is approximately $788, which is relatively low for a full-size truck. The sheer popularity of the F-150 means parts are widely available and relatively inexpensive, reducing labor and repair costs. Additionally, its sturdy chassis and high towing capacity make it a reliable workhorse for those who need a truck that can withstand years of heavy use. Number 4. 2025 Subaru Outback. For those who need an all-wheel drive vehicle that won't break the bank, the Subaru Outback is a fantastic option. Known for its rugged durability and impressive longevity, the Outback is built to handle various terrains while keeping maintenance costs low. With an average annual maintenance cost of $657, the Outback remains one of the more affordable AWD options on the market. Subaru's engineering focuses on longevity, and the Outback's naturally aspirated engines have fewer complex components that could fail. Combined with a spacious cargo area, high ground clearance, and excellent safety ratings, this makes the Outback a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. Number 3. 2025 Hyundai Elantra. The Hyundai Elantra is a great budget-friendly sedan that comes with one of the best warranties in the industry. If you're looking for a vehicle with low maintenance costs and great long-term reliability, the Elantra is an excellent option. With an average annual maintenance cost of $452, the Elantra remains an affordable option thanks to Hyundai's 10-year per 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which covers major repairs and reduces out-of-pocket costs in the early years of ownership. The Elantra also offers excellent fuel efficiency, modern tech features, and a smooth, comfortable ride, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious drivers. Number 2. 2025 Honda Civic. The Honda Civic has been a staple of reliability for decades, and for good reason. With bulletproof engineering, a high resale value, and low repair costs, the Civic is a favorite among budget-conscious car buyers. The average annual maintenance cost for a Civic is around $368, making it one of the most affordable cars to maintain. Honda's focus on simple, efficient design and widely available replacement parts keeps maintenance expenses low. The Civic also boasts a reliable engine, excellent fuel economy, and a stylish, modern interior, ensuring that owners get a balance of affordability and quality. Number 1. 2025 Toyota Corolla. Taking the top spot on our list is the Toyota Corolla, a car renowned for its exceptional reliability, low repair costs, and fuel efficiency. Toyota has perfected the balance between affordability and dependability, making the Corolla one of the most cost-effective vehicles to own. The average annual maintenance cost for a Corolla is about $362, making it the most affordable option on this list. Toyota's extensive parts network, simple engine design, and reputation for longevity ensure that repair costs remain minimal. With its exceptional fuel economy, durable build quality, and a comfortable, no-frills driving experience, the Corolla continues to be a top choice for those who want a hassle-free ownership experience. Even with a low-maintenance car, you can take extra steps to further reduce upkeep expenses. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is crucial to preventing costly repairs down the road. Using OEM or high-quality aftermarket parts ensures better durability, while monitoring fluid levels and tire pressure can extend the lifespan of your vehicle. Additionally, addressing small issues early can prevent minor problems from escalating into expensive repairs. If you're looking for a vehicle that will save you money in the long run, these top 5 cars with the lowest maintenance and repair costs are your best bet. The Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Hyundai Elantra, Subaru Outback, and Ford F-150 all offer outstanding reliability, inexpensive parts, and long-term durability. Choosing the right car means less stress, fewer breakdowns, and more money in your pocket. Which of these budget-friendly vehicles is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars Jade for more expert car insights.